Good afternoon, class. The recording in Canvas did not work this morning, and I realized that most of you, unless you've been with me in a previous course, had not seen my garden. So I'm going to try to walk and talk and give hints on the final exam. Unfortunately, it is during the day and it's noisy. I already hear a boat motor running somewhere, so hang with me. All right, it is a 3-hour timed exam. Once you open it, that's it. Be prepared to take it. I will open it next Saturday morning. Many of you have asked that it's easier for you to take it, of course, during a weekend than at some point during the week. So it will open the 27th. It will be open all week for those of you that need more time or have scheduled. I know some of you come in the course on specific days. Multiple choice predominantly, but a few short answer. The first one being, what is language? So I do go back to chapter 1. The best way to review is just to look through your textbook again. There will be questions on how you talk with children. Almost every chapter addressed that. The electronic books, how to use them, when to use them. What is the smallest unit of speech? What is phonology? What is syntax? What is pragmatics? All vocabulary words from chapter 2. The use of impact words, fart and swear words and body parts. How preschoolers express themselves logically as they're learning language. How does language help preschoolers learn new skills? How can they incorporate unknown into their world? What is a consonant? How do children categorize? Why is it important for us to include this skill? What is classification? Why is it important? Why do young children ask so many questions? How do we encourage perceptual motor activities? What is phonological awareness? What did the National Early Literacy Panel suggest was a strong predictor of a young child's later literacy and success at learning to read? All right, change pages. Our gorgeous fountain. What is phonemic awareness? What is scaffolding? What are the two types of listening? How do we promote good listening skills? What is the definition of alliteration? How do we arrange good settings for reading books? What is bibliotherapy? Early American literature was considered what? What is a print-rich environment? What are useful techniques for storytelling? What is pantomime? Pantomiming. Let's see if I can get my pineapples. When we give teapots life in poetry, what is that called? Why do we introduce young children to poetry? Why do we and how do we introduce puppets to young children? Why do some circle times fail? What is drama? What do chants contain? What are transitions? Pineapple growing. Takes 18 months for a pineapple to grow. No wonder they're so good. And my muscadine grapes. How does the size of a child's reading vocabulary, what does the size of a child's reading vocabulary refer to? All right. Very windy. Paper's blowing all over the place. I'm going to sit. You can look at my fig tree while I'm sitting. Chapter 16, reread. I think I had assigned it twice anyway, so reread that because there are questions on the alphabetic principle, how it promotes spoken language, skill and drill instruction. Early readers probably come from what kind of families, what when children have lots of scribbling, printing, and drawing, what does that mean for their later reading development? And of course, what is print awareness to begin with? The very last question asks you to list one concept that you learned this semester. So that is part of the last discussion topic. So I'm just forcing you to list what you consider is the most important concept. Okay, as usual, any questions, concerns, compliments, complaints, let me know. Reminder again, once you open the test, it is open for 3 hours. Once you've been in it more than 2 or 3 minutes, I cannot legally reopen it for you. So do not even go into the test until you are ready to take it. As I said, it is 3 hours. You can take it on any computer, anywhere, where you will have quiet for 3 hours and be uninterrupted and have a good internet connection. I think that's it.